In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change live captions, text color, or background color in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the list until I spot subtitles and captioning. When I see it, I tap on subtitles and captioning, and that takes me into the section where caption display settings are managed. Alright, now that I'm here, I tap on style. This opens up the list of available caption styles, and from here I can either choose one from the list or create something new. I tap on the option I want, and the change applies right away, letting me preview the updated appearance. If I decide to create a new style, I go through and adjust the settings the way I want, such as text color or background color, and once I'm satisfied, I select it so it becomes active. Everything updates immediately, so there's nothing extra I need to confirm. I pause here for a moment just to make sure everything looks the way I want before moving on. I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready, since all changes are already applied. Now I start backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Subtitles and Captioning, open Style, and pick or create a style again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to change live captions text or background color on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.